my heart shows me where to go. The wind whispers stories only I know. Barefoot on the road, sky in my eyes. The world is wide but my soul can fly. Every step I take, I breathe a little more, letting go of pain I used to store. I follow my heart, where the wild things grow, where silence speaks and rivers flow. Even when I fall, I rise again, with open hands and a fearless flame. I carry no weight, just a heart full of dreams, and a love for the earth and all in between. I heal through touch, I speak through light, even in the dark, and a fearless flame. They say I'm soft, but I'm made of stone, because kindness is a fire of its own. I follow my heart, where the wild things grow, where silence speaks and rivers flow. Even when I fall, I rise again, with open hands and a fearless flame. I'm not chasing gold or glory, I just want a real story, one where love is loud and true, and the sky forever blue. I follow my heart through storm and sun. Every ending means a life's begun. I may be small, but I stand tall, with love as my anchor, I fear no fall.